Hey indoor golfers, in today's how-to video, we're going to talk about hitting strip maintenance. So the first thing I'm going to tell you about hitting strip maintenance is what I would do when I get the hitting strip is actually, measure your hitting strip and then draw a thin black line across the middle so you know where the middle actually is. That way, when you actually hit shots, you can hit shots on one half of the mat first and flip it over and hit shots on the other half of the mat. So then you're not just wearing out one spot all the time. And the other thing with that also is don't always just hit it from right in the middle. You can hit it a little bit right or left of center, and that'll help maintain some of that turf for a longer period of time. If you just beat the ball in the same place every single time, you're gonna wear a big divot in this mat very quickly. So this is turf, it's a wearable product, it's gonna wear out, so the more often you move around your hitting area, the longer the mat's gonna last. Same thing for the tees. This here is a 3D, so you can't use a real tee in the 3D version of it, but in the softy or the preferred, you can use a real tee. So just make sure you're not putting the tee in the exact same place every time. And when you start seeing some wear, it's okay to rotate these things. I rotate mine about every 2 weeks just for the heck of it. I just think it's better to move it around and not hit in the same place all the time. For removal of your hitting strip, we're on a flooring here, but it doesn't matter if you have a 4x7 or a 4x10 mat. Get yourself a flathead. You're gonna insert it between the hitting strip and the mat and then just give it a little lift. Make sure you're not digging into the foam and causing a big hole in your foam. That way you can rotate it. You can do whatever you need to get it back in there. That is it. Very, very simple. And then again, just step on it. Boom, boom. And then the last thing is a vacuum. When you're vacuuming your mat, I'd like to vacuum before every session. Luckily with this turf, it doesn't leave like the big green streak on there because it's pretty good turf. But you will get turf dust and other dust, especially if you're in a garage situation, you're gonna have a lot of dust and stuff coming down into it. So if you keep your hitting strip clean, it's gonna keep your screen clean. And it's also gonna extend the life of your hitting strip, and it's gonna keep that grass nice and fluffy too. So I vacuum before a session. That causes less dust during the session, and then again, keeps your screen cleaner as well. So if you like today's content, as always, like and subscribe. We love the support, we love comments. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And as always, shopindoorgolf.com. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email to sales@shopindoorgolf.com or give us a call. We'd love to answer your questions for you. Thank you. Have a great day.